I put coffee in this coffee cup, which I've never used before, and it started making some kind of funky noises. Should coffee make noise? Huh. Be good. Being mean to the cats. I don't think I'm going to drink it.